guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox not loading on mobile. You might just try to open up your Roblox app, and it's going to take a while to actually load up. So first thing you need to do in order to fix that is to ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection. And if you don't have that, you might just turn on your airplane mode and turn it off, just like this, and it will become stronger. So after doing that and it still persists on loading, the next step you have to take is you go to your settings right here and you scroll down to your apps. Right, if you are using iPhone, you can just go to iPhone storage, then right here you're going to search for Roblox. Right, I click on it, and what you're going to do, you just need to click on storage and clear up the cache and the data. So I'm going to clear up my cache right here. I've cleared it, and so if you clear up your cache, your account might be deleted as well. But you just have to log in again to avoid that. So after doing this and it's still loading, the next step you just have to take is you have to uninstall your Roblox app. Right, just uninstall it and install it back, then you can log in. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.